Why do girls thrive at Audubon Nature Preschool? There are these myths that girls are delicate, that girls don't like to climb trees, that they're scared of a little dirt. But the girls at Audubon Nature Preschool know these for what they are: myths. Yes, some girls can sit still long enough to complete a worksheet to perfection. But how much do they really learn that way? At Audubon Nature Preschool, girls are given freedom, encouragement, and individualized attention from caring, committed teachers. Nature itself provides the props for learning, and every day offers a chance to find something new. These natural elements are gender neutral, the same for all children. In addition to play kitchens and dolls, the Nature Preschool's Wood End Sanctuary offers a forest, a pond and stream, rain gardens and meadows. Around each curve of a path emerge lessons in math, science, emergent literacy, and teamwork. Creativity grows. Girls learn confidence, persistence. They learn how to be bold and brave, how to be better people. Why do girls learn so much at Audubon Nature Preschool? Because for all children, nature is the best teacher there is.